Today I will be explaining about how to add customer on your Shopify store. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your computer browser and sign in your account on which you want to add customer. And by following my method, you will add a random customer to your Shopify store with the help of that email. So let's get started. The first thing is take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. From these, you have to tap on the option customer. Once you will click on it, here you can see the option of everything customer. You link it in one place. This option is add customer and this one is import customer. If you have a list of your customer, then click on the option import customer. And here you have to paste the CSV file. If you don't have, then you can see a sample of CSV file. Once you see, simply get a CSV file of your existing customer and add that. But like we want to add a single customer. So in order to add, click on the option add customer. Here what you have to do, this one is the first name and this one is the last name. Here you have to enter the first name of your customer. Once you will enter here, enter the last name. So let me write first and last name. Once I re-enter, this one is the default language. This customer will receive notification in this language. So whatever language you will select, the notification will send in that language to your customer. So there click on it and select your desired language. Here you have to enter the email address of your customer. So just for showing you, I will give this a random. Just scroll down. Here you have to select the country of your customer. So click on it and choose that country. Once you select that country, here you have to enter the mobile phone number of your customer. Take this one and scroll down. And this one is the default address. Click on it and here enter the default address. If your customer have a company, then here you can write the company name. Here enter the address. This one is the apartment suite and EPC. If your customer has a specific apartment, the right, this one is city and this one is the postal code. And then you can enter a mobile phone number. Once you write everything, click on the option save. And here is the option of pack setting. Collect packs, click on it. And here if you want to choose any of these, then you can choose by yourself like collect tax, unless essential supply, or do not collect tax or collect packs. The selected option is collect packs, so I will let it be as it is. Now scroll up and here you can also write your note. Notes are private and won't be shared with the customer, so it will be a private note. Means if you want to remind something about your customer, then you can write your note and that will be a reminder. This one is bag. Bag will be like, it will specify your customer need. So here you can enter that bag and on the top you can see the option of save. Once you will click on the option save, this will be added as a customer to your Shopify store. You can sell your thing directly to that customer and that's it.